By the end of 2026, 37% of companies plan to replace human workers with AI. But here's what nobody is telling you. The same technology destroying jobs is also minting millionaires. Today, I'm breaking down exactly which side of that line you're on and what to do about it. AI spending is hitting $2.5 trillion globally in 2026. That's not a trend, that's a structural shift, and it's splitting the economy into two groups. Group 1, AI-first professionals and asset owners, their wealth is compounding fast. Group 2, people still selling traditional skills the old way. They're losing ground, quietly but consistently. Economists call this the K-shaped economy. The top goes up, the bottom goes down. The question is, which branch are you on? Let's talk about the money, because AI is producing one of the fastest wealth booms since the internet, and most people are watching from the sidelines. Here's what's happening at the top. Chief AI officers now earn over $500,000 a year. AI research scientists at firms like OpenAI are pulling in $900,000 in total comp. AI engineer salaries are growing 9.2% year over year, the fastest of any job title right now. But you don't need a six-figure tech job to benefit. AI is also reshaping how individuals build income. A solo operator today can build what once required a 50-person team. New AI-powered trading platforms are giving retail investors access to institutional-grade strategies. Budgeting tools powered by AI are helping ordinary people find hundreds of dollars in hidden savings every month, money that compounds when redirected into investments. The opportunity is real. The window is open, but it won't stay open.
Now, let's be honest about the risk, because this channel doesn't sugarcoat things. Jobs aren't disappearing all at once. They're being encroached upon, task by task. The roles feeling this first are non-routine cognitive jobs. Data analysts, technical writers, junior coders. These aren't blue-collar roles. These are the safe, white-collar jobs people went to university for. There's also a more disturbing pattern emerging on freelance platforms like Upwork. In AI-exposed categories, education and experience are mattering less. Price is mattering more. AI is standardizing output, which makes humans more interchangeable. That's commoditization, and it's already happening. The writer Cory Doctorow calls it the reverse centaur. Instead of a human using AI as a tool, you become the assistant to the machine, doing whatever tasks it can't handle yet, at minimum wage.
So, what's actually protected? Here's the pattern: physical friction and legal liability. AI is extremely good at symbolic manipulation. Writing, analyzing, coding, summarizing. It is terrible at real-world consequences. That's why mental health therapists score 95 out of 100 on AI resistance. Electricians and HVAC technicians score 91. Nurse practitioners are near the top of every resilience index. There's a reason Gen Z is choosing trade schools over four-year degrees at record rates. They're not avoiding ambition, they're reading the room. Here's what you actually do with all of this. 1. Move up the stack. Don't just perform tasks, solve problems. Writing code is high risk. Architecting systems that solve business problems is low risk. Same skill set, completely different value proposition. 2. Own the liability. Wealth is flowing toward people who take final ethical and legal responsibility for AI outputs. Be that person. That's the compliance premium. 3. Restructure what you sell. By late 2026, AI agents will be making buying decisions on behalf of humans. Your offer needs to be scannable, comparable, and compelling to a machine, not just a person. AI isn't magic. It amplifies what you bring. If you use it as a shortcut, you lose. If you use it as leverage, you win.